Okay, see. So how to create the user in Oracle, we are going to see now. So if you want to create the user in Oracle, we need to connect to the admin user first. So how to connect the admin user? So go to the command prompt, Windows R, CMD. Okay, see, we will see how to create the user in Oracle and how to unlock the user, how to log the user, how to reset the password. So if you want to do these activities, we need to connect admin user first. So admin user only can able to do these things. So first to connect admin user, Windows R, it will go for the run prompt and it press the command prompt CMD. See here SQL plus sys DBA. Okay, so it connect with admin user now. It is asking for the password. So it is asking for the password. It no need to provide any password here. Okay, now it is connected the password. So sorry, now it is connected to the admin user. Okay, see, if you want to create any user, create user username my DB user. Okay, so my DB user username identified. Identified by. So if you want to create the admin new user here, we need to connect to the. We connected the sys user. Okay, without password you can able to connect here. Okay, see, we want to create user my DB user. Okay, then identified by password. I am giving like a password only. User is created. So if user is created, we need to provide the grants here. So we need to connect the user. So first we will see. I'm opening another command prompt. Okay, we created the user, right? So how we'll connect to that? SQL plus my DB user as okay. Now what it is showing? User my DB user lacks create session privilege. Okay, if you want to create any user, you created that user. So if you want to connect that user and need to be work in that, for that, we need some privileges. So grant what the grant it is saying. Grant create session. No. My DB. Okay, see, now I'm trying with the same here. My DB user slash. Now it is connected here. You got it? Okay. Later, what are the other things we are, as I said here, if we want to create the table here in this table, even but it is a insufficient privileges. So if you want to provide the all grants, so if you want to provide the all grants, and we need to provide here
DBA
grant DBA to my DB user. Still you are facing the issue.
all privileges.
All privileges. All right? Yeah, LHE. Okay, this is the way we need to provide the privileges for the any user. Okay, so in case for you, your user get locked. So if you enter the wrong passwords, you entered the wrong passwords. So invalid username password. Same I am typing here 3-4 times. The user get locked. It will show like that. Okay, again denied. Okay, still it is showing. See, unable to connect Oracle after 3 attempts. Okay, after 3 attempts, if you provide the wrong username password 3 times, you will get the user is going to lock. User is going to lock here. So where you can see that user is locked or not, we select start from all underscore users. So all underscore users. When it got created, 25th, today only. So my DB user. My DB user. So how to see that the user is locked or not? See, the user is locked here. So how to unlock that user? First we see that. So alter username, my DB user and unlock. So if the user is in lock mode, you can able to unlock using this command. alter user username, account unlock. If you want to make it lock again, see, I am trying it. Now you are able to connect here, right? Now I am exiting the browser. See, now I am making it lock here. The user need to be locked. So now it locked here. So now I'm connecting with the same username and password. It is showing the account is locked. The account is locked. So what are the other things we said here? If I want to reset the password in Veracity, okay. So you don't know, like you taken your friend system. So when the real time you cannot able to do this all the activities. The admin will do the all these activities. Okay. So first we need to connect to the admin user. First we can see the we will connect to the admin user, and you don't know the password for any user. If you know the username, you can able to reset the password simply. Okay, so alter username. So my DB user identified by my DB. So username and password, I am going to put the same here. 1 minute. Okay, so alter user username identified by password. So now I'm resetting my password with the pass. So earlier what the password I have, I don't know. I am unable to do, right. So now I am able to reset the password using alter user username identified by my pass by pass. Now I can able to connect in. Now I can able to connect. Simply no, the user is in already lock mode. How can you reset that? So alter user username ID account unlock. Now I did the unlock option. So we can say my DB user slash is resetted now. Okay, so now I have created the my own user here. Now we are going to connect from the SQL developer and we are going to see the things about that. Okay, so ఇక్కడి నుంచి మనం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుకుందాం ఎందుకంటే అది ఒక వీడియో కోసం అట్లా చేశాను. మై డిబి యూజర్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఏం కావాలి. సో పాస్వర్డ్ ఏమో పిఏఎస్ఎస్ టెస్ట్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్. కనెక్ట్. సో మనం మనకంటూ ఒక డేటాబేస్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఒక స్కీమాని క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఏవైతే డేటా ఉందో ఆ డేటా మొత్తాన్ని ఇక్కడ వేసుకుంటున్నాం.